Now let's talk about making online payment. So you select the item, buy now, select the quantity, buy now. You already have online payment, so submit. This time around, since it's an online payment, you are going to pay from our Momo, so bridge payment. Then you select your mobile network. You enter your number. And then you pay. See, now you receive a prompt for you to enter your Momo PIN to confirm the payment. And you approve the transaction. See, payment is successful. Click on the OK, and now payment completed. We have to wait for the payment confirmation process. Payment is successful, so you can view our order, and this is what we ordered for. Thank you for watching this video.